2020, and here's Varvinkatu 15 Stekesei in Pori, Björnebori, in the city center in Satakunta, Finland. And this elevator was built in 1942, turning 80 years old in 2022, and was most in 1984. Turned 35 years old in last year, 2019, this conversation, and it will be inspected in next year, 2021, and the serial number is H3388. Please just have a look at the code in here. It doesn't light up. It probably only lights up when it's like on the other floor and cold.
Yeah.
But inside it, oh, I have to start again. Sorry about that. I'll start it downstairs.
Yeah.
There will be a second ride, and it will be my first one.
Yeah.
Because I changed the battery, and that's why it stopped, and I had to start.
Yeah.
Let's start it again.
Yeah.
Okay, today is the 31st of December 2020, the very last day of the year 2020. Here's one week.
Expected paikkivaiskutat mietin paikkaa.
Pori, Björnebori, Satakunta, Finland. This is amazing. It was built in 1942. The elevator is turning 80 years old in 2022. And it was built in 1984. The concession is turning 35 years old, 35 years old in the last year, 2019. And the serial number is H3388, and it has 5 floors. There's also a sticky speed, and we're gonna try to get there as well. It will be inspected next year, 2021. I'm gonna take 2 rides now. This is the second video.
Yeah.
Amazing find.
Yeah.
Although it's not original, it's still amazing.
Yeah.
Again. So I can ride alone.
Yeah. And I will take pictures before.
Yes.
Then I can go to staircase B. Or,
Yeah, try. But we need to check the basement also.
Yeah. Yeah, of
You
course.
might check the basement.
Yeah, of course. That's